When we use iPhone sometimes will be dead. The call can come in, but the screen is black. And we can turn off the phone. How to do with this situation? Just press volume up button and press volume down button. Long press power button to turn off the phone. Keep holding on power button until the Apple logo come out. Then this phone restarts successfully. If you fail to restart iPhone with this method, it may be wrong at the time you press the volume up and down button. For example, now I press volume up button, press volume down button, then I hold power button. You can see that it turned out to Siri. It's failed. You must press the buttons in time. Press volume up button, press volume down button, hold power button. You can see it work now. It works successfully. Press volume up button, press volume down button, hold power button. So you must control the time well. If it's too long between you press volume up and down a button, it will fail to restart. So we can catch the phone like this. Use our thumbs to press up and down. Use our middle finger to hold power button. Then it works. Let's try it again. Up and down, hold power button. Up and down, hold power button. It works well. Up and down, hold power button. Hold on. If your phone is dead, power off slider will not appear. So you need to hold power button until the Apple logo come out